Hey guys, so I know it's been a minute. Wanted to kind of chit chat here. I know the lighting's not that great, but we're not really seeing anything. We're just kind of talking. And look at, we are so blessed today with this one's presents. Baby, say hi, this man. He got pretty big probably since the last time he's been in a video. He might be a big boy. Um, every time he hears the camera, he has. I don't know why they all have to come over, but they love the camera. But getting off topic, I did want to take and chat a bit. I know it's been a minute. I've been kind of going through my channel a lot. I know some of you guys have noticed that. I put a bunch of my older videos onto private. I'm also going to be editing my banner because it looks like really stupid. It looks like crap. Let's just be honest. It looks like crap. So I have to redo my banner. I haven't done it since when they first made them, and I was like a young teen when I did it, and it looked really bad. So I have to redo it. But I went through and oh my god, I privated so many old videos. Because when I first made my first video, I was 17, and I'm 28 now. So for 11 years, I've been doing this. And I took a break from doing beauty stuff for a minute because I felt like it got a little wild in the beauty stuff. And I tried to do other things. I'm keeping up some of them, like learning to do boundaries and like journaling and good like mental health things. I think are important because I like those and I'd like to keep them up. But a lot of my other stuff, I went to more of a fun side. I just wanted to make it more light, but I don't want to be known as the conspiracy chick. Only because most of the time I'm just going over what you guys wanted to talk about, not so much stuff I believe in, other than like when I talked about like aliens and stuff. But I don't really think that's a conspiracy. But that's just me. But some people got really mad. One of my shorts kind of got a lot of views really, really quickly, and oh my god, those comments on that were awful. They were so awful, and I just don't want to be known for that person. I was just trying to do something different, do something light. I didn't touch on anything that's like really deep or dark or anything. I did like TV show conspiracies, like just fun. But at least I tried something different. I tried. I did get rid of my TikTok too, which just I liked it, but I don't know. You start to see a lot of the same old on your feed, and I was just like, you know what? Taking a break from it. But I don't know. I feel like it's important because I kind of just really like doing this stuff. It was fun to do something different for a minute. I talked about horror movies and stuff like that. And if you guys do like that, let me know. Maybe I can make that like a separate channel. I was trying to do a bunch of different things at once, and I don't think it was coming across correctly. And that's my fault. But I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go back to what I was doing. It's what I like to do is just randomly talk about makeup because it's fun, it's light. I don't take it that serious. I know some people do. That's on you. I don't. I like to just have more fun with it. And I take value into a lot of the comments. I know there were some of you guys who really did like that other content, and I appreciate it so much. Maybe I can do something with it later. Maybe I can just make a separate channel. I'm not sure yet. And there was some of you guys who really liked it, and I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. But a lot of you guys, the majority, really wanted what I used to do back. And I totally respect that, and I totally get that because that's what you originally subscribed for. And I kind of missed it. I really did. I still will randomly make videos about being your own best friend, and setting boundaries and knowing your worth on things because I do think that's important no matter what. And I think it's important, especially with so much going on constantly. I feel like it's nice to see some just like goodness and some niceness sometimes on the internet. Because sometimes it's just so much negativity that gets flooded everywhere that I feel like it's nice to have that break. But yeah, I wanted to touch base, wanted to talk a little bit. There's a few review videos I'm going to be doing. I got a haul that'll be coming up. I kind of got out of makeup for a bit, especially 2020 was such a year. I didn't really wear that much makeup, to be honest. If I did, it was kind of like eyebrows and very light eye makeup. But I don't know. They kind of had a rough few months, and I've kind of been like, ugh. And I was like trying to do something different to take my mind off things, and it wasn't really, it's not something I want to like put out. I'd rather just do this and do that, and just enjoy, keep it light, keep it fun, have a light, fun space. Because that's important. I like having a light space to go to. But I did want to touch base and chat a little bit. As I said, I got lots of videos that I'm planning on. My one umbrella light did break. I do have another one. I have to get it up in the closet and set it up. It's a pain in the butt. But I'm gonna see. I'll probably make some videos when it gets more light out on talk about some things. just go back to more of the OG stuff. Like, I only bought a few things. I haven't been buying as much either. I've been really trying to use what I got. And I also want to make some videos talking about that. You guys did, like, when I was talking about the beauty community and different things, and you guys asked me to touch base on certain things and certain brands and all that. I saw that. I understand completely. I saw it on that community page as well, and I will do that. I also got some on TikTok. And again, I'm going to say, yeah, I did get rid of it. I'm sorry. So if you're looking, I did delete TikTok. But yes, so we're going to have some fun. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe. I'll have lots of videos coming out soon. Hopefully you guys will like them. And just bringing it back to some more normal. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.